Hi, I'm Josh from Best Line Equipment. I'm here in Mechanicsburg off of Trindle Road. We are a authorized Stihl dealer as well as a service department for Stihl. Today I'm going to go over the KombiSystem by Stihl. So the KombiSystem by Stihl is actually a system that uses one motor with multiple attachments. With that being said, let's go over some of the stuff with the residential version of the KM series KombiSystem. So very easy, very lightweight. Best part about the KombiSystem, and this is the whole thing right up front, this end is basically your attachment end. So you can slide your weed whacker in, you can slide your edger in, you can slide a leaf blower attachment in. They are well balanced. All of them come put together, ready to go. They have a strap to put around your shoulder to help, offset the weight. Now, back in the back, the engine. The system that Stihl has made with the KombiSystem has been terrific. Not only have they came out with their own engine designs on certain aspects, they've also made it easier for the residential person to get them started. So again, just like all two-stroke engines, first thing you do, you prime it 3 times, you have an automatic choke lever. So it automatically, once you push it and you set it, you forget it. You pull it, it's got an easy start. It makes it spring assisted, it makes it easier to pull. Once it fires up, you go ahead and click that throttle, it goes to wide open. They have them the whole way up to 1.9 horsepower on some of the professional ones, but with the residential, you're gonna be right around that 1 horsepower mark. Very lightweight, very easy to use, low maintenance, great piece of equipment. This is a very universal tool because of so many attachments you can get. You have bristle brooms, you have bed redefiners, you even have a small rototiller or cultivator. The easy starts on the back, very easy to open fuel knob, has the O-ring gasket, nice fuel tank size, gets a lot of run time out of it. And what makes it nice is, again, the affordability. You're only purchasing one piece of equipment, one motor. With any Stihl dealer, they also have warranties. You can either have a 2-year warranty on it, you can go the whole way up to a 4-year extended warranty on the residential applications. All right, now we're gonna step up to the professional grade unit of the KombiSystem. This is the Stihl KM131R. The KM131R is the big and baddest of all the Stihl products for the KombiSystem. It comes with a 1.9 horsepower engine. It is commercially built unit. A lot of different things that you're going to see from this model versus a residential model. This thing produces, again, 1.9 horsepower. It has valves, camshaft, it has rocker arms, it has push rods. With that being said, the reason why they did that is this is a lower spinning RPM engine to get greater reliability and durability out of it, but it also produces high torque. It has computerized systems in it that can keep track of hours. It also has a system in it for the RPMs, rev limiters, other different situations that it constantly monitors to make sure that the engine gets the best and peak performance out of it constantly. It has a foam air filter. It has a fuel filter in the tank. It also has a very nice cover that protects the spark plug as well as the valve cover. It has a gigantic fuel tank on this thing. You can get a lot of runtime out of this. It has the same features our residential ones have. You set that choke, you prime it, you start it up. Once you get it running, click it, the choke comes right off and you're ready to go. Now, with this being a commercial built unit, it is going to have a little bit extra weight. But again, the durability of this unit is unmatched when it comes to other things on the market comparable wise. Again, this is 1.9 horsepower. You're going to use this for your heavy duty applications. You don't need this if you're a residential person, but they also make a couple smaller series other than the 131. They make a 111R, which is 1.4 horsepower, and they also make a 91R, which is 1.27 horsepower. These are a great unit. They are very robust. We sell a lot of these to our professional landscapers. We absolutely love this product. Again, multiple attachments, easy on, easy off. Loosen it up, take the attachment off, you're ready to go and put the next attachment on. So with those attachments, we just went over the motor setups for the KombiSystems. Now we're gonna go for the most popular attachments when you purchase the KombiSystem. Let's start off with our edger. It is a very nice, heavy, robustly built piece of equipment. You got your aluminum shaft here. It is a straight shaft down into the gearbox of the unit. The gearbox, very solid, very heavily built. Come around to the other side. You have a nice metal frame that is actually your safety guard, so that way it's not plastic. You know, you don't want something breaking and hitting you. The commercial industry has been using this style edger for years. Again, the Stihl product is a great product. This goes with all the combi systems. The next piece is going to be your weed whacker attachment. This one being a straight shaft, it has your gearbox up top, aluminum shaft coming down, one-piece shaft. Down on the bottom, you have your bump shaft style feeding for your actual wire itself. So when you need more, all you do is you bump it on the ground, it pushes the button on it. As this is spinning around, more wire comes out. It's got a very well, nicely built safety guard on it with the blade for the automatic cutting of the string. This is a very common piece. This piece also has a little bit bigger of a brother. It has a blade on it. It is actually the brush attachment. It has an even heavier duty built cover on the back side for your safety. But other than that, this would be your most commonly used piece of equipment on that combi system. And as we finish wrapping this up, my name is Josh. I work here at Best Line in Mechanicsburg. If you have any questions or however we can serve you or help you with any of the attachments, if you're looking for something specifically a job and you're not sure if it's going to work, let us help you. Give us a call, stop in and see us at our local Best Line stores. Have a great day.